So another spoon of video. Luke, can you tell me what we're doing or hold up the picture for me?
We're doing the jigsaw.
How many pieces is it?
1,000.
1,000 piece jigsaw. Okay, lots of Harry Potter people. Right, so this is the family. Let's see if we can finish some more of this. Let's see what Emma and Luke have been doing.
It is everyone from Cribble, very old person, to like Ginny, young person. I'm sure there's younger people in there, but...
Okay, and is Mummy the best at jigsaws?
Yes!
Really? Be honest.
Maybe.
Okay. So another piece going in, is it? Another piece in.
Another piece. Fading in. Another piece.
Does it go? Okay, Hagrid's beard's finished. Which characters have you got left?
Now we've just got dark in between the characters, so technically Malfoy's coat.
Okay, so Malfoy
no one
and
wanted
Creature.
to do it. No one wanted to do his coat, you know, because he's Malfoy in the world of Malfoy.
Okay.
No one really likes him, you know.
How are we going to get these last few pieces?
We are going to put the few pieces in. Just go. Look at that. Just go there. It must be this piece. It must be this piece. Oh, it must be the piece you're holding. No, it goes there.
Or is it?
Is it? Is it? No, maybe not. Maybe it goes
not.
I'm sure this piece is right.
Jigsaws are quite hard.
We also know that this piece must go in here. Oh, it's not. It's one of these pieces. Like here, there you go. And then we know a fat piece must go in there, so we can infer that. Why do you infer stuff from jigsaws? Such a weird thing.
It is.
Why does this piece not fit in here? This piece must fit in here.
Well, take the piece of the top off in case it's wrong.
Yeah, take this top piece off.
Yeah, take that piece off just in case.
That top piece off. There we go. There you go, now it fits. No.
Yeah.
This one must fit, this one.
You're making headway now.
What?
You're making headway. You can get some few pieces in. Malfoy's looking good. How many left?
Go on.
We have two.
2 pieces. Emma's got 2 pieces to put in.
What? She just took it from me.
That's okay. Emma can finish the last 2 pieces. It's a family jigsaw. It doesn't matter who's done it.
Yeah. Woo!
Woo!
Yeah.
Emma, Luke, well done. So that's your family jigsaw, 1,000 pieces of the Harry Potter jigsaw. So, would you like to say a few words, Mummy?
It was quite difficult.
Okay. Luke, would you like to say a few words
A few words.
about the jigsaw?
Oh, I thought you said say a few words, so I said a few words.
Okay. Mummy, is he your son?
Yes, of course.
Emma, would you like to say a few words about the jigsaw?
Words about the jigsaw.
Yeah. Any of your which your favourite character in the jigsaw?
Dobby and Luna.
Dobby and Luna.
But
Let's
Dobby.
see.
Dobby.
Here is Dobby.
If it's like an actual human, then Luna.
Here is Luna. Luna, of course, is reading Quidditch.
Quibbler.
Quibbler. And Dobby has green eyes. Cool.
Green eyes, epic.
So, shall we mess up the jigsaw straight away and do it again, or leave it there for a bit?
Leave it there for a bit.
Leave it there for a bit. Okay, well done everyone. Family jigsaw, 1,000 pieces, completed. Boom. Can we have a proper boom? Cool.